One of the most beautiful things and one of the probably frustrating things is that every single state is allowed to make its own laws. It's the great experiment of America, right? And one of the things that's frustrating is that each state gets to make its own gun laws, where you can and where you can't carry a firearm, what's lawful and what's not. That's why multi-state coverage is such a great idea. One of the questions that we get is usually from people that are from other states that come here to the great state of Pennsylvania. And they have questions based upon their old state laws, because in some states where there's alcohol being served in like a bar area, that it is absolutely forbidden for you to have a firearm of any type or kind, regardless of whether or not you have a license to carry a firearm or its functional equivalent in that state. It's totally forget about it. One of the weird things here, I guess, in Pennsylvania is that there's no type of charge such as they have in other states of drunk with gun. It's not against the law technically in the state of Pennsylvania for you to be drunk with your firearm. Now, if you're drunk and you subsequently pull out your gun, do Yosemite Sam or point it at someone, those are separate and distinct crimes, but drunkenness is not an element to those. The element that has to be required it has to do with just your actions as opposed to your state of inebriety. So the ultimate question is here in Pennsylvania, when it comes to bars, can I keep my concealed firearm on me? The answer to that is absolutely. God bless America and the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. You absolutely can. Now, can an establishment that sees that you has a firearm, say you're printing, or you inadvertently, it becomes known, or you talk about it, can they ask you to leave? Absolutely. As private property owners, they can ask you to leave. Can you stay? I guess you could, but then they can call the police and get you charged with what we call defiant trespass, just like anywhere else. But there is no special prohibition against having to do with alcohol and guns in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. That's the law in Pennsylvania.